Okay.
I'm back to buy this. We saw it down there, and it was 100 rupees. For 100?
This one Sri Lankan guy from that team is inside. All the
All
foreign people
the
are here to
foreigners
bargain
are
with
coming here
vendors.
and bargaining.
I didn't understand.
No wonder Adam meant hike the prices up, hike the prices. Must have not been able to get any bargains.
No,
I
but
was wondering why. I mean, you need. Okay, because they have a guide, probably.
they have a guide, but you know.
She said that, she was bent on 200. That's why we walked away, because it was too expensive. But she said because we came back, this is wholesale price. She cannot go less. So she's going to give us 5 rupees off. But that's it. I think you're in trouble.
See ya.
I especially made a comment with the kitchenette food making me fat. Because I wasn't that fat on the kitchenette. I wasn't. I had actually lost weight after the Kitulgal experience.
Oh yeah, a lot of it.
නැවත එන අතරතුර ඇඩම් අප සමග දොඩ මළු වුණා.
Yeah, I think so. What we've done is we've left Indrajit behind at the Hydramani premises so that he can be working on drawing up the designs, ready for us to get back. And so that should speed things up. Then later on today we can work on the marketing pitch once we know exactly how the garment looks.
රිෆ්ලෙක්ස් කණ්ඩායම තරග නීති එලෙසින්ම පිළිපදිමින් කලට වේලාවට නැවත පැමිණියත් ලයින්හාට් කණ්ඩායම තවදුරටත් පමුණුවේ රෙදි තෝරමින් වෙහෙසුණා.
10-11 real time.
10-11.
Yeah.
We can check until 11.
Really?
නැවත පැමිණ තම නිර්මාණය සඳහා වෙහෙසෙන රිෆ්ලෙක්ස් කණ්ඩායම සමග කතාබහ කරන්නට අපට බොහොම හුරු පුහුදු පියුමි පැමිණියා. හයිඩ්‍රාමනී සමාගමේ නිමි ඇඳුම් නිර්මාණ සැලසුම් අංශ ප්‍රධානී පියුමි පෙරේරා මහත්මිය ඔවුන්ගේ තීරණ හා අදහස් ගැන මෙසේ විමසීමක් කළා.
Trying to get a decent slogan together. So we've got the idea, the concept, and what we're aiming for, but we want to try and put that into a catchy slogan.
Get as creative as you can with your boards. I mean, you don't have to restrict it just to the boards, but there needs to be everything on one board for us to see your idea come together. But any other way you want to present it,
Okay.
no, it's up to you.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Are you okay with what I've described? Okay. Okay.
රිෆ්ලෙක්ස් කණ්ඩායමට අවාසි විය හැකි කාරණයක්ද මේ අතරතුර සිදු වුණා. ඇඩම් මදක් අසනීප වුණා. ඒ උදානගේ අඩම්තේට්ටම් ඉවසා ගන්නට බැරිව නම් නෙවෙයි. දේශගුණය වෙනස් වීම හා අධික තෙහෙට්ටුව නිසාද ඔහුට තද බල ලෙස උණ ගැනුණා. හයිඩ්‍රාමනී ආයතනයේ සේවක පිරිස ඔහුව වහාම නිසි ප්‍රතිකාර සඳහා පිටත් කර යවන්නට තරම් කාරුණික වුණා.
ලයින්හාට් කණ්ඩායම පමුණුව රෙදිසාප්පු හා වීදිවල අතරමංව සිටියදී රිෆ්ලෙක්ස් කණ්ඩායම තම නිමි ඇඳුම් සැලැස්ම චිත්‍රණය කර අදාළ අංශයට භාරදීත් අවසන්.
This is not just about, this is about design and fashion. It's like so different. And Lara has a lot of experience in the industry.
But if we sell this concept, oh wait, Lara is good with concepts.
Lara is like really good with them. No, Suraj, it's the Sri Lankan market that we're looking at. So it's not just concepts that matter. We have to reason every stitch of the garment.
I know.
Sounds like a wave. You know how the wave goes coming out. Am I explaining this well?
ගන්න දනක් කොයිද මට ළඟ පාදම.
Jersey fabric.
කොයිද?
Come here. This is it. This is what we were looking for. We didn't find.
And the perfect color.
It's here.
අනෙක් කණ්ඩායම සිත්සේ කාලවේලාව ගෙන ප්‍රමාද වී නැවත පැමිණීම නිසා තමන්ට යම් ආකාරයක අසාධාරණයක් සිදු වූවා දැයි සැකහැර දැනගන්නට රිෆ්ලෙක්ස් කණ්ඩායම පියුමි පෙරේරා මහත්මිය හමු වුණා. ඇය ඔවුන්ට කරුණු පහදා දුන්නේ මෙලෙසින්.
Now, And so we're wondering, were we allowed to stay till 2 hours extra?
The timing I gave you in the morning,
Yeah.
right, was an ideal timing for you to stick to if you wanted to finish your task in time and also to correct enough mistakes.
Okay.
As time goes on, it's a big project. It's 2 garments.
Yeah.
And there are lots of details in these garments
Yes.
that need to be looked into, and if you need to refit, if you need to fix things up.
Yeah.
So the timing you stuck onto will give you that advantage.
Okay.
So that was just a guide.
That was the guide.
Okay.
That
We
was
just
the
want to
guide.
clarify
Because you've
that.
already got yourself a little bit of extra time by working hard and working fast.
Okay.
That by tomorrow morning you'll probably be able to see any mistakes that come up faster.
Okay.
As a result, and fix them.
Okay.
So the timing, you accelerating your time is giving yourself an advantage.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, just wanted to make sure.
Clear?
All right, thank you.
සතියක් පාසා ලැබෙන අභියෝග හමුවේ පරාජය වන කණ්ඩායමෙන් එක්කෙනෙකු බැගින් ඉවත් කෙරෙන බ්‍රිටිෂ් කවුන්සිල් අයිඩියේටර්ස් රියලිටි තරගාවලිය අවසානයේදී ජයග්‍රාහී කිරුළ හිමිකරගන්නේ එක්කෙනෙකු පමණයි. දෙස් විදෙස් තරගකරුවන් 12 දෙනෙකුගෙන් ඇරඹි අයිඩියේටර්ස් සොඳුරු චාරිකාවේ මේ වන විට ඔවුන්ගෙන් ඉතිරිව ඇත්තේ 8 දෙනෙකු පමණයි. ලයින් හාට් හා රිෆ්ලෙක්ස් කණ්ඩායම් දෙකට අද ලැබුණු අභියෝගය බොහෝම සංකීර්ණයි. ජාත්‍යන්තර තලයේ පවා කීර්තිමත් වෙළඳනාමයක් පවත්වා ගනිමින් විශිෂ්ට නිමාවෙන්යුත් නිමි ඇඳුම් නිපයුමේ අලවියේ හා අපනයනේ ප්‍රමුඛ ස්ථානයක් දරන හයිඩ්‍රාමනි අද අභියෝගය අප තරගකරුවන්ට ලබා දුන් ආයතනය.
This checked area is going with the blue one checked. I have it with me. Yes, it's
ලික් ඩෙනිම් නිමි ඇඳුම් පාරිභෝගිකයන් අතර වඩාත් ප්‍රචලිත කිරීම සඳහා ඊට ගැලපෙන පිරිමි හා කාන්තා නිමි ඇඳුම් දෙකක් සැලසුම් කර නිර්මාණය කරන්නට අප තරගකරුවන්ට බහර වුණා. ආකර්ශනීය පෙනුම පමණක්ම නොවෙයි. මේ සඳහා වෙළඳපොළට සරිලන මිලක් හා ලාභ ලැබිය හැකි විධිමත් ක්‍රමවේදයක්ද හඳුන්වාදීමට සිදුවන බව ඔවුන් දැන සිටියා. මේ කටයුත්තේ සංකීර්ණත්වය නිසාම දින 2ක් පුරා වෙහෙසෙන්නටද ඔවුන්ට සිදුවුණා. කෙසේ හෝ එක් කණ්ඩායමක් ජයගනීවි. ඒ කවුරුන් වේවිද?
පළමු දවස අවසානයේදී හිල්ටන් රෙසිඩන්ස් වෙත පැමිණි අප තරගකරුවන් පසුදින උදයේම නැවතත් මහරගම හයිඩ්‍රාමනී ආයතනය වෙත ගියේ මහත් බලාපොරොත්තු සහිතව. පෙරදිනේ බහරදුන් තම සැලසුමට අනුකූලව ආයතනයේ සේවක පිරිස නිමාවට පත් කර ඇති පිරිමි හා කාන්තා ඇඳුම් දැක බලා ගන්නට ඔවුන් සිටියේ පුදුම නොයිවසිල්ලකින්.
production also. Can I keep it as is so?
Yeah, I think like
Hold it up nicely.
she's saying if the printers
තම කණ්ඩායම විසින් සැලසුම් කළ කමිසය හාහා පුරා කියා ඇඩම් හැඳ බැලුවේ බොහෝම සතුටින්. පෙරදිනේ වැළඳී තිබූ අසනීපය බොහෝ දුරට අඩු වී තිබීම ඔහුගේ සතුට තවත් වැඩි කරන්නට ඇති.
Can I have it after? Where's the... Oh, can I keep that? It's nice.
Do you think we should go for a darker check?
What about you guys? I'm actually happy with this.
I'm actually happy with this. I'm not keen on revisiting
look
the
at
like.
all-
Yeah,
should
if
I
you check
do
it on someone else. Can we afford a darker check? Have we got enough to buy a check? I can't remember how much budget we had left. Not really.
We don't have anything. I think we should go ahead.
I think once the color comes in, it's going to look fine.
Yeah.
Once the color sets in, it'll look nice.
Look, what do you think?
කණ්ඩායම් දෙකම සිතකය වෙහෙසවා වැඩ කරන ආකාරය ඉතා අවධානයෙන් බලා සිටි තවත් කෙනෙකු සිටියා. ඒ ලික් ජීන්ස් සමාගමේ ප්‍රධාන විධායක නිලධාරී රජීව් සමරසිංහ මහතා. තම නිෂ්පාදනයට අප තරගකරුවන් මොනතරම් සාධාරණයක් ඉටු කරාවිදැයි විමසා දැනගන්නට ඔහු අප තරගකරුවන් හමු වුණා.
So how about the branding or having...
We have
for the product?
the branding. It's the name. The new, I guess, we call it a slogan that we've come up with is, "Don't brag, just lick."
Okay.
So you don't have to brag about your looks or how you look. Just wear a lick outfit, and you look exactly like that.
Right.
So that is
part of your slogan. I think you are expected to do a slogan
exactly,
as well.
and that's what we've come up with. So that's going to come up here, and it's going to relate to the outfits, sitting directly next to the outfits.
So that will be only written on that part, right?
Yes, it's printed. We're just going to stick it on.
It's worth more visible, I think. You know?
Yeah, it's very visible.
Maybe could have gone.
How this kind of works here to this colour.
Sorry?
I prefer how the check looks against this darker colour. But I'm just wondering if we should add more
I think
of
it's
the darker grey, because it's only in the small panel on the back as well.
Yeah.
It's just around the bottom.
Yeah, it's
It looks good.
I want to see this with the collar.
Yeah,
That's a
little
seller.
concern that I have is whether the placards and the collar would stand out from the rest. Because it's a completely different color that we have, like a strip here and around the
I think it'll stand out.
So Lana, have you done the tops for the ladies and
Yes,
gentlemen?
we are just, it's downstairs.
Right.
Just the finishing up has to be done, the button attachment.
Right.
The rest of it is almost done.
Okay, so what are you doing right now?
Just trying to put the boards together. We are doing a concept board for the two products,
Right.
and also a campaign board for the marketing campaign that we are planning to
Okay.
Actually, we are introducing something slightly new to the brand. As in, what they have already used is, like, in most of the design, it's just fabric that they have used.
Right.
So what we are introducing here is combining woven fabrics with knitted fabrics.
Yeah,
that's the concept that we are trying to introduce to the brand and make it a signature look of the brand.
My main input was the design of the garments and sourcing the fabric. I've had a bit of a hand in everything, to be honest. It's hard to quantify exactly what I've done, but yeah, we're just rushing to get these concept boards out now, because we don't want this side to let down the actual, the product, because I think we allocated more time for that, and maybe, but we'll see. Hopefully we'll get there, I think.